Hello friends, I am Sim and welcome to my YouTube channel Be Artistic with Sim. Today I am going to draw to make a surprise birthday card. For that I have taken this A4 size sheet and just fold it into half. Now let's start drawing. For that I am drawing a birthday cake. Draw a straight line here first and then one line here. Join it from above. Okay, now draw a line below the cake. Beautiful. Make 3 hearts here. Now let's draw 3 candles above the cake. And the third candle. Now draw some heart-shaped toppers and make a note in between. And write down the message here. Happy birthday. Okay. Okay, so our surprise card drawing is complete. Now let's start coloring. So friends, our paper folding surprise birthday greeting card is ready. If you like my videos, please like, comment and share, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel Be Artistic with Sim. For more such interesting videos, stay tuned to my channel. Till then, keep watching, keep creating. Okay, bye bye, take care.